Are you wondering where to get the perfect finish for all your roofing needs? Wonder no more, because NGUMU Mabati Factory got you sorted. At NGUMU Mabati Factory, we produce the best quality roofing products such as NGUMU Classic, NGUMU Corrugated, NGUMU Box Profile, NGUMU Smart Tile, NGUMU Wave Tile, NGUMU Bamboo Tile, among others. We also have the most reliable roofing accessories such as roofing nails, roll tops, ridge caps, square gutters, rubber washers, among others. NGUMU Mabati products come in a variety of colors, versatility, and undisputed all-weather durability. The best part is, we offer free delivery services countrywide. Place your order today and enjoy our discounted rates. For more information, write down the numbers and call us on 0700-563-693 or 0700-865-109. Again, our numbers are 0700-563-693 or 0700-865-109. You can also visit our sales head office in Kenol Town, Murang'a, along Thika Superhighway, or visit our factory in Thika opposite Jogo Kimaki Hotel. NGUMU Mabati ni ngumu zaidi.